Good morning, student. I am your social teacher Sima Pathak. Welcome back to online study. As you have already learned in previous class about the globe, the axis of the earth, poles, equator, hemisphere, parallel of latitude, longitudes. Students, today we are going to start next topic, that is the earth grid. First I will tell you what is the earth grid. The latitude and longitude cut each other at right angle. The latitude and longitude together form a network of lines or a grid on the earth. This is known as the earth grid. You will see in this globe the line of latitude and the lines of longitude intersecting each other. They intersect each other at right angle and they form a network known as the earth grid. This grid is very helpful to locate a place on a globe or a map. Student, if we know the latitude of Delhi or longitudes of Delhi, we easily find out in a globe or map that where is Delhi. So, the longitude of Delhi is, so first we have to find out the latitude. The latitude of Delhi is 28 degree north. Exact measure is 28.38 degree north and the longitudes of Delhi is 77.12 degree east. We can easily find a point on a globe or map where these two lines intersecting each other. This point of intersecting give us the exact location of Delhi. We can similarly locate the different place in the world. So now we can see one more example. We have to locate Jaipur in a globe. Latitude and longitudes makes a crisscross network on a globe. This is called a grid. These imaginary lines help us to locate a place on the earth both quickly and accurately. Locate Jaipur on the globe is not difficult at all. All we have to do is to find out the latitude closest to the Jaipur, which is 26.92 degree north, and the longitude closest to it, which is 75.82 degree east. Like that, we can similarly locate the situation of any place in the world if we know its latitude and longitude. I hope you got an idea how to read the location of a place. Now students, let us summarize what we have learned in this chapter. Now we know what is the globe, the axis of the earth. So first we know a globe is a model of the earth. It helps us to have an idea of the different features of the earth. The globe tells us about the shapes of the earth. It tells us that earth is round like a ball but flattened at the poles. We know what is an equator. It's two hemispheres, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The equator divides the earth into two equal halves called northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Circular lines parallel to the equator are called the lines of latitude and the latitude of the equator is 0 degree. Lines of latitude are in full circle but they are not equal in length. Semicircular lines running from the north pole to the south pole are called the longitudes or meridian. The chief meridian called the prime meridian passes through Greenwich, London. Its longitude is 0 degree. Lastly, we have seen what is earth grid or global grid and how to locate place on it. The network formed by the lines of latitude or longitude is called the earth grid. The earth grid is very useful in locating a place on a globe or map. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.